ene mama wosika woniuka onyaka wa pene jawo afiye hu emai ene mama wosika woniuka onyaka wa pene jawo afiye hu emai Sicily, Hey, welcome. This is Daniel Boateng. If this is your first time of visiting my channel, please subscribe and hit on the notification button so that you'll be updated anytime I upload a video. Here, me first akonya we susu na me dia seda mamu nyina mo amo subscribe na mo share my video na mo comment ni nyina nyame enhyiram. A very big thank you to each and every one of you for your subscription, your comments, your encouragement, and then sharing my videos. Keep on watching. And then I have to take this opportunity to give a big appreciation to Mr. Osajifo. Mr. Osajifo, God bless you for a wonderful work you have done to support the channel. God bless you so much. And this time we are going to look at Dagomba rhythm. We are going to look at Dagomba rhythm, a very nice rhythm which I used to sing that song. Okay, so we are going to look into that, and then I'm going to make it very brief. It is not difficult, very brief. So let's start today's lesson. Okay, because we are beginner guitarists, I don't want to bore you with so many things. I'm going to make this lesson very brief, because you have to take everything step by step. Okay, without wasting your time, let's look at the chords we are going to use. We are going to use B7th. Look at B7th. B7th. Check. Is it clear? B7th. Here, me inside the cano. It's the first fret. First fret. A wall. D string in so. Now me say toss me no. My second finger is at the second fret of the A string. Okay. Is it clear now? Good. And then my third finger is at the second fret on the J string. This is B7th. Come on, here. B7th. Let me check my. This is B7th. So put your first finger on the first fret on the D string. Okay. Put your second finger on the second fret on the A string. Then put your third finger on the second fret of the G string. Play it and let me see. Say B7th. 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 Good. Then we will also use E major. I have taught you E major, but if you have forgotten, we are going to use, put your first finger on the first fret on the G string, your second finger on the second fret of the D string. Okay, now we are not going to add this one, but okay, we are going to use only this for our E major chord. I hope it is clear. Good. We will use C sharp minor. C sharp minor. C sharp minor. Your first finger is at the first fret on the G string. Your second finger is at the second fret on the D string, and then your third finger is at the second fret on the B string. You have something like this. C sharp minor. C sharp minor. Good. A very simple activity I want to let you perform before I teach you the rhythm of Dagomba. I want you to look at the chord progression first. Now, start with C sharp minor. C sharp minor. Progress to B7. Then you come to E major. Again, C sharp minor, go to B7, come to E major. This is your activity I want you to go through before I teach you the rhythm. So look at my right. Look at my right. I am just doing a bit strumming at C sharp minor. Then I go to B7. Then I come back to E major. So do it. Okay, so at 4 count each. So let's see. C sharp minor, 1, 2, 3, 4. B7, 1, 2, 3, 4. E major, 1, 2, 3, 4. Do this for about 15 minutes every day. Then I'll continue with the rhythm. I don't want to make you confused. So at every 4 beats, so start C sharp minor, 2, 3, 4. Go to B7, 2, 3, 4. Come to E major, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so like this. Okay, so in all, this is your activity for today. I don't want to waste your time, so you start at C sharp minor, 2, 3, 4. Go to B7, 2, 3, 4. Then you come to E major, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, you've got it. You've got it. Mamba usika woni wuka umiaka wawe jeneja wu fiye wu emai ane mamba usika woni wuka umiaka wawe jeneja wu fiye wu emai Sicily, I feel emai. Say out there. Out there. Nti activity na me dey ma no. Me pese wo practice. So at here. Nti me ba be the finger picking because you already know the chord progressions. Yes, me chiro finger picking na because we name chord progression. So do the activity I have given you. So on this note, I will end today's lesson, and we will meet for the finger picking on Dagomba rhythm. Leave a comment at the comment section. If you don't understand anything, feel free, then you ask. Okay. Subscribe to my channel if you have still not subscribed, and then you can give me a private call so that we can discuss whatever you don't understand. We'll meet next time for the second part of this reading. Thank you.